Good morning, my dear children. Today I am going to start the lesson formulae. First of all, I would like to recall your previous knowledge by using some examples. My first example is make u the subject of the form v equal u plus at. You have to isolate u letter. U letter connect with at by plus sign. To remove this plus sign, we have to subtract at left side and right side. Then plus at goes to this side. We can write it as minus at. V minus at equal u. Let's move to second example. Make f the subject of the formula c equal 5 over 9 times f minus 32. First you have to remove this 5 over 9. To remove this 9 connect with division. So remove this division 9. We have to multiply by 9 both sides. Then 9 into c equal 5 over 9 f minus 32 into 9. We can cut 9 to 9. Then 5 times f minus 32 equal 9c. To remove this 5 connect with multiplication. To remove this multiplication 5, we have to divide both sides by 5. Then 9c over 5 equal f minus 32. Now we have to isolate f. We have to make subject f. We have to remove this minus 32 again. Then that minus 32 goes to left side plus 32. F equal 9c over 5 plus 32. Let's move to our third example. Make a the subject of the formula L equal a plus n minus 1 times d. To make subject a, we have to remove this plus d times n minus 1. So we can write it a equal L minus n minus 1 times d. My fourth example is make d the subject of the formula. In this case d we have to isolate. We have to make subject d. First of all we have to remove this a. Therefore L minus a equal n minus 1 times d. To isolate d, to make subject d, we have to remove n minus 1. To remove n minus 1, we have to divide both sides by n minus 1. Then d equal L minus a over n minus 1. Example number 5. Consider the formula 1 over r equal 1 over r1 plus 1 over r2. Make r1 the subject of the above formula. 1 over r equal 1 over r1 plus 1 over r2. We have to make r1 as subject. First we have to remove 1 over r2. Then 1 over capital R minus 1 over r2 equal 1 over simple r1. Now we have to simplify this fraction. First we have to take the common denominator. Common denominator is capital R r2. To make common denominator simple R2 capital R, we have to multiply this by R2. Then R2, in this case we have to multiply by capital R. Then R1 into 1 R, capital R. Then numerator is simple R2 minus R over capital R simple R2 equal 1 over R1. To make subject R1, we have to take the reciprocal. There are two fractions in left side and right side. We have to take the reciprocal. Then when we get the reciprocal of 1 over r1, r1 over 1. In this case when we get the reciprocal capital R simple R2 over simple R2 minus R. This is the answer. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Change in the subject of formulae, squares and square roots. Now we are going to remove the squares and square root symbols. My first example is A equal 5r squared. We have to make r, subject r, but in this case r squared here. First we have to remove this 5 sign. 5 is connect with multiplication. To remove multiplication letter, we have to divide it by division. Then 5r squared, when divided by 5, it will become r squared. A divided by 5, we can write it as a over r. Then r squared, we have to make subject r. Therefore, we have to take the square root left side and right side. Then r equal a over 5 square root plus or minus. When we get the square root, definitely we have to put plus or minus. Why? As an example, think square root of 4. It can be plus 2 or minus 2. Plus 2 squared also 4. Minus 2 squared also 4. Therefore, we have to put when we take the square root plus or minus. My second example is t equal to 5 square root L over G. Make subject L. First we have to remove this 2 5. Therefore, I am going to divide left side and right side by 2 5. Then t over 2 5 equal L over G square root. To remove this square root, we have to take squared, left side and right side. Then t squared we can write t squared, 2 5 squared we can write 4 5 squared equal L over G. We have to isolate L. Therefore, we have to multiply it by G. When multiply left side and right side by G, it will become L equal T squared G over 4 5 squared. Third example, A equal bx squared plus c. Make subject x. First we have to remove this plus c. A minus c equal b simple x squared. After that we have to divide it by b. Then a minus c over b equal simple x squared. To take the value of x equal ac over b square root plus or minus. Example number 4. K equal ac over c, ab over c square root minus d. Make subject c. In this case, we have to make subject c. First, we have to remove this minus d. When it goes to this side, we can write k plus d. K plus d equal ab over c square root. To remove this square root sign, we have to take squared, left side and right side. Then we can write k plus d squared equal ab over c. After that, we can take reciprocal. K plus d squared mean denominator is 1. When take the reciprocal, 1 over k plus d squared equal c over ab squared. We have to make subject c, therefore we have to multiply both sides by ab. When right side multiply by ab, it will become c. When left side multiply by ab, we can write ab over k plus d squared equals c. I think these examples are clear now, right? Now I am going to teach how to do substitution. Find the value of a when v equal 20, u equal 0 and s equal 20. Formula is v squared equal u squared plus 2as. First, we have to make subject a. V squared minus u squared over 2s equal a. Now we can substitute the values. In this case, v has given 20, so you can write 20 squared. U has given 0, therefore 0 squared. 2s mean 2 times s mean s given 20. 20 squared mean 400. 2 into 20, 40. Then, when we divide that, you will get 10. Answer is 10. My second example is, if x equal y plus z square root. Find the value of x. In this case, there is nothing to do, make subject. When y equals 6 and z equal 10, you have to only substitute the value. Y has given 10, z has given 6, 10 plus 6, 16. So, when the square root of 16, you have to write plus or minus 4. This is incorrect. You have to put plus or minus 4. Right? My last example is v equal 132. Phi is a constant. We know all that value of phi is 22 over 7. H equal 14. Find the value of r. V equal 1 over 3 phi r squared h. First you have to remove this 3. Then multiply by 3. 3v equal phi r squared h. Then you can divide by 5h. Then 3v over 5h equal r squared. To find the value of r, you have to take the square root. Then r equal 3v over 5h square root. 3 into v is 132, 5 mean 22 over 7 into 14. When simplified, 7 to 1, 14 to 2, 2 into 22, 2 in 2 again you can cut, 2 to 1, 132 to 66. Then 3 into 66 over 22. Again you can cut by using 22 multiplication table, 22 to 1, 66 to 3. Then 3 into 3 equal r. 3 into 3 mean 3 squared, square root equal r. Then r equal 3. R equal 3. I think these examples are clear for you. Thank you.